Types of hummingbirds. Are you a bird lover? If so, you'll be delighted to know that there are over 300 different species of hummingbirds. These tiny birds are known for their vibrant colors and ability to hover in midair. Some popular types include the ruby-throated hummingbird, the black-chinned hummingbird, and the anise hummingbird. They can be found in various parts of North and South America, from the subtropical climates to the mountainous regions. Next time you're outside, keep an eye out for these fascinating creatures and their mesmerizing aerial acrobatics. Thanks for watching.